Hello, I'm trying to do a fleet update. I'm still not very well. So, where are we at? Let's talk about this one.
So Ellie's had some tinkering done. The gap in the bottom of her door's been stopped. You've also fixed her dash recently. She's got her slinky cover on her steering wheel.
I've done some... I did record a bit of footage of fixing door locks as well. I actually fixed the boot lock as well.
The door lock.
Greased the kingpins, that was all last week.
Let me in now. Anybody would think we were friends.
The problem was here, this slot. That thing should jump up into the slot, but it was all gunked up, so it was just making the handle turn rather than engaging the door handle. So took it all apart, had to remove that little clip from just there, and we gave it a clean up, and all is now good.
But yeah, so Ellie is in fine fettle. Now she's going to not let me in again.
And we're about to head off in convoy because...
Yeah, Shmy is not very well.
What?
Is it just because the weight's on it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so as you saw, we did one of Shmy's rear wheel bearings, but on giving her a little drive, we realised there was still bearing noise, quite considerable bearing noise, getting progressively worse. So we have now booked her in. We're not doing it.
No, we've farmed it out because you need hydraulic presses. You've got to take ball joints apart. You're upsetting the steering.
So we've farmed out to Myrtle, who is an incredible craftsman with his fabrication and whatnot.
And he's quoted us 60 quid labour. He's just like, why would we even put ourselves through the hassle?
No, but I mean, that's amazing that he's done that. So yeah, she's going today for her front wheel bearing. Lots of you suggested if you've got one wheel bearing going, you should change them in pairs. But we did speak to Myrtle, and he said chances are at the mileage that she's got on her that they've probably been changed in ones.
That's very pretty song.
It's a beautiful song.
140,000 miles now.
So 143, I think now.
Oh gosh.
Which is put on some miles.
Yeah.
So
right, we'll go further at the back and discuss the others.
Okay.
Right then.
Then we reach the zone of nearly but not quite.
The nearly not quites. Yeah.
So smart car. We did have Matt Pink and what's his friend's name?
Oh, you know, I've forgotten. Is it Craig?
I feel like it's Craig.
Might be.
Matt and Craig were going to come and help us today and drop subframe, do the alternator, do the starter motor, but Ian's still not very well at all, as you can probably hear.
No fit state for that, I'm afraid.
So Smart remains as it is for the time being. It might take us a little bit longer because Ian might be heading towards Elkmerk-Vardig next week.
Yeah.
So she might
which
take
I had hoped to do in either one of these. That was the plan, was this week, get this running, get this up and running, and then decide which one to take to the Netherlands.
Finances and illnesses have
utterly ruined it. Well, the finances have sorted themselves out. That's the big news.
Oh, wait, we're going to get there. We're going
to get there. Okay, the big news.
Systematically.
Okay, systematic.
Myrtle remains as she has been. As you know,
her washer bottle is at home.
We swapped the front washer motor, and then I've just touched her and she's filthy.
Yeah, don't do that.
And then we've realised that the rear, she has two. The rear motor needs swapping as well. But
I now have
because we've
one.
got the wheel off, the wheel arch, etc., that shouldn't take too long at all. Ha ha ha. Last time we said this, we were in here for 4 hours.
Yeah.
So hopefully this one will be back on the road soon. She needs an MOT, obviously. But that was the big burning thing for the MOT. Bob is Bob.
Oh, pardon me. There's two at the back. Not much change, to be honest.
Yeah. Bob, not much action at the moment. The kids are just heading into exam season. So, we're not bobbing at the moment, which is sad times. Bella, same as, she's still running lumpy, and we did discover another issue with her, which is why she's back here in disgrace.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
We'll get to that.
Hopefully soon.
And then Tuck, bless her.
Tuck, just sat here, stuck behind Myrtle.
Sat there. She's like, did you know it was Barley Saturday on the weekend?
Yeah, sorry,
I didn't go.
Yeah, 2 years ago we went to Barley Saturday and had an amazing time. But here she sits, waiting for her turn. Yeah. It will come, Tuck, but unfortunately everything else keeps breaking. I forgot, look, Simon got us a set of wheel trims.
Yeah, and what you will notice is we are missing somebody.
We need that. We need the one who's missing. Of course, there's 2 cars missing. Who wants to take the phone? There's 2 cars missing. We haven't got Betty here. These are Betty's rear dampers.
Yes, and the reason that he's got those and is loading Betty with stuff is because Betty's also going away tomorrow.
Yeah.
She's going to the amazing Tim at Cambrian Classics to get her suspension dampers done, isn't she?
Yeah, rear dampers, and we've got a leak on the back of the transmission.
Yes.
As well, the seal output shaft. The problem is I don't know where that is. I'm hoping it's at home. And yeah, the plan is on Tim's lift to get those done tomorrow.
But yeah,
so we're making some progress, but
this isn't Shmy's spot because Shmy doesn't
no,
live in here.
This was Chazelle's
spot.
And I've put together some fitting images for the saying goodbye. So yeah, that was Chazelle. Unfortunately, I was even more ill on Saturday when we did the handover. I couldn't record any final thoughts at the time. And to be honest, it's still quite difficult to speak now. So maybe we will do a full-on tribute to Chazelle at some point. But she's gone to the right home. Chris, the new owner, seems a lovely chap. Took her away on the trailer because otherwise he'd have been taxing her for the whole of April. Well, I believe he's waiting for the change of month. No, it's May. So hopefully they're going to have much fun together, and Chazelle is joining a fleet of other classics.
And
so
I
that's good.
saw her, she passed me in Sand Rusted, so I gave her a little
Yeah, because you were driving home in a slightly worryingly sounding charade.
Yeah, we've reached the point of vibration now. It's not
No,
pleasant,
so we're going to limp her down to Mary's, and hopefully in a couple of days we'll get her back in finer fettle.
I hope so, because otherwise I'm a bit screwed if you go to Merkvardig.
Yeah, it's problematic.
Because you know, I could have had one of 3 cars, but
you know how to bump start a Smart now. Plan B.
Yes, but I need to be in it and pushing it.
Yeah, there are difficulties. You got children. It's fine. Anyway,
We're going to fix my car.
We need to get Shemington then to Merrick, so you better go in and do a Hello Happy, I guess. Well, we haven't shown people Hello Happy for a while, I don't think.
No, do you know, I was surprised at the social how many people, they accept Shmy as the Hello Happy car, but they don't.
Stickers, t-shirts and hoodies available at the HubNut store.
In various colours, and even children's sizes. But I was quite shocked at how many people didn't realise why she's the Hello Happy car. Shmy gone, oh yeah, I've just locked you because you weren't locked.
Security.
I mean, you were locked.
Yeah, there we go, she's saying it. Look. In the middle of the dashboard there, she says, Hello Happy. Oh, let's hope she's Hello Happy to start this morning.
She always starts.
Okay.
You just cursed it.
Yep.
Right.
Of course she's happy. And we need to move Ellie out the way now. Is Ellie happy? I'll give you some engine noises on this day. You'll notice I've put a steering wheel thing on just to try and give me a bit more. Right, off we go. Obviously I won't be driving on the road like this. Looks like we got us a convoy.
So we've just left Shmy in Mayrik's capable hands. Feel really emotional. I feel really emotional this week because we, let go of Chazelle as well. But I have absolute faith in Mayrik.
Yeah, we're getting Shmy back. It's all right.
And the other big selling point for Mayrik is the fact that Tim is now using Mayrik. So we know Tim is very, very, very particular. So that's awesome news. So that's it. That's everybody.
Yeah, that is the fleet update. I'm sorry there isn't more, but stay tuned. We've got a very exciting road test coming up on Monday. We're not Monday, Friday.
Are we?
Yeah. Very small, very luxurious one.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So that's something a bit special for you on Friday. And after that, we'll just have to see how I'm doing. I'm going back for a bit more rest, a bit more snooker, a bit more tea maybe, and try and feel better soon. But thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
And don't forget to buy lovely HubNut merch if you wish. We're still packing the merch.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in a future video. Bye.
Oh, I got to put you.
Where are you chewing?
Put you on your new steering wheel cover.